Hey everyone, Stephanie here from the Sig Sauer Airgun Division, here to talk about the X-Five Advanced Sport Pellet Pistol, which is based off of our popular centerfire competition gun. This X-Five ASP has a lot of great features that does mimic its centerfire, allowing for transition from training to range. The first feature is the SAO, single action only, flat crisp trigger, which allows for perfect finger placement and consistent trigger pull from training to competition. It has a CO2 cam loading system, very easy. Drop your CO2 in, close the lever, ready to go. It has a adjustable elevation and windage rear sight. It has an ambi safety for those lefties just like me. Moving to the front, it does have a Picatinny rail for any great accessories that you would like to add on. There are etching on the front trigger guard as well as on the grip, so you can really get a good hold on the gun and allow for perfect match for your competition through your training in the backyard. This gun is offered in black as well as the silver you see here, and has a full metal slide and frame to mimic the weight and function of the centerfire. Another great feature this X-Five ASP has is the magazine. Let me show you real quick. It is a 20-round belt-fed rapid pellet magazine. Load the .177 caliber into the belt, close it on up, and you're ready to have some fun. It also has a mag plate, as you can see here, which allows for optimal drop mag training in your backyard or on the range. For more information on this Advanced Sport Pellet X-Five, be sure to visit our website at sigsauer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of our latest videos first.
This is the SA10, an air-powered Umarex handgun that combines all the technologies of modern semi-auto pistols. This unique-looking airgun takes advantage of both metal and polymer construction techniques that wrap around a drop-free magazine. The realistically heavy mag houses a 12-gram CO2 capsule and is capable of storing 3 spare 8-round rotary clips, in addition to its onboard regulated air valve, a technology that's engineered to propel a projectile while simultaneously blowing the slide back, giving the Umarex SA10 a firearm simulated feel. This rugged yet eye-catching piece incorporates texturing in the frame and grip, and slide serrations that aid in feel and function. Lasers and lights fit nicely on its under-muzzle Picatinny rail, and the ported metal slide reveals a gold color barrel that's nicely accented by a brilliant gold replicated breech block. Function has been incorporated into the SA10 at every level. The safety is disguised as a slide lock. The takedown lever allows for the slide to be removed, and there's a pivoting FAW trigger safety. The hammer visually operates when it's fired. The mag truly drops free, and the threaded muzzle will accept FAW suppressors. The SA10 has a rifled barrel and is dual ammo, which means you could shoot airgun BBs or pellets out of its versatile rotary clips. Get more trigger time with Umarex action pistols. Buy an SA10 today.
This is the Walther PPQ M2. No doubt you've heard the praises of the PPQ sung out by gun owners all over the world. It's hard to ignore a handgun with these ergonomics and a trigger pull that has been called the finest ever on a polymer framed striker-fired handgun. The PPQ is available in 9mm, 40, and for the first time ever for Walther, the 45 ACP. We will cover the PPQ 45 in another video. The 9mm PPQ M2 is available in 3 configurations, a 4-inch model, the Navy model with threaded 4.6-inch barrel, and a 5-inch model. The 40 caliber is available in 2 configurations, a 4-inch model and a 5-inch model. All of these models come with a foam-lined hard case with a chamber flag, a detailed instruction manual, and a DOJ-approved lock. The matte finished Tenifer-coated slide has front and rear serrations for easy non-slip operation, making it easy to manipulate. On the slide you have low profile, no snag 3-dot polymer sights for rapid aiming and target acquisition, and the rear sight is adjustable for windage. Under the front of the frame you have a Picatinny rail where you can mount an optional flashlight, laser, or laser light combo. The award-winning Walther PPQ has an aggressive non-slip cross-directional surface which provides you with a perfect fit and great control for the ultimate confidence while shooting. The PPQ trigger is second to none. The trigger pull is 5.6 pounds with a 1/10 of an inch reset that makes follow-up shots incredibly quick. The PPQ has 3 internal safeties, 2 drop safeties, and a firing pin block for safe carry. The slide stop is ambidextrous and conveniently positioned for thumb operation, but it won't interfere with a modern style thumbs forward pistol hold. The magazine release button is also ergonomically placed for easy operation and can be repositioned for left or right-handed shooters. The 4-inch models are 24.5 ounces and the 5-inch models are 26.5 ounces. All models are 1.3 inches wide and 5.3 inches tall. The PPQ can fill just about any role you need it to, from conceal and carry to duty pistol to home or self-defense. If you still haven't experienced the PPQ, do yourself a favor and head over to your local Walther dealer and see it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and be safe.
After 10 years of incredible performance and dependability, let me introduce the new M2.0. Hi, I'm Julie Golub, the captain of Team Smith & Wesson. As a former soldier, MP, and now as a professional competition shooter, I'm very excited about this next generation of the M&P pistol. A decade of feedback from military, law enforcement, competition, testing, and you, the everyday user, has gone into the making of this pistol. There's a lot you'll recognize and appreciate from the original. First, let's start with the trigger guard. We've kept the geometry the same so that you'll have compatibility with many M&P holsters. We've also kept the sight dovetail cuts the same so you can use your favorite sights. Original magazines are interchangeable and compatible with both newer and older models. And of course, the ergonomic design and reliability you've come to expect from the M&P is in this model as well. The new M2.0 has evolved. We've added front slide serrations and an aggressive grip texture throughout the entire grip. We've also added a longer internal slide guide rail to allow better performance by both the 2.0 and you. An ambidextrous slide stop plus the ambi mag release button makes it easy for both right-handed and left-handed shooters to access critical controls. On the original M&P, we set the standard with interchangeable back straps. We've added a fourth, allowing for 90% of shooter hand sizes to be accommodated by this new grip. You'll have your choice between small, medium, medium-large, and large so that you can get that perfect feel and trigger reach so you can shoot your best. The 2.0 also features a newly designed trigger. It's crisp, lighter, and tighter with that highly desired audible and firm reset. It also features an internal sear deactivation lever, which allows you to take the gun apart without pulling the trigger. Available in a variety of models, the M2.0 comes in 9 and 40, 4 1/4 or 5-inch models, black or flat dark earth, with or without a thumb safety. Experience the next evolution of the M&P, the M2.0. Learn more at smith-wesson.com.
Hey everyone, Stephanie here from the Sig Air division at Sig Sauer. Okay, let's talk about a really nice product that we have from our Proforce line. This is the M17 Airsoft pistol. Proforce line from our Sig Air division is one of our high-end training platforms, and this gun does not let you down. So what we have done is developed alongside the civilian M17 firearm version, a counterpart Airsoft version as well. The great features about this Proforce M17 is it's a training gun. It is allowing you to take what you cannot accomplish on the range or a rainy day and bring it into your backyard or allow you to train what you carry on your everyday. So let's run through some of the features. This is a full blowback system. It has lockback on your last round. Regular drop magazine, just like your firearm pistol would have. You can do all of those practice drills that you would typically handle on your firearm. It's a great little gun. It also has your fixed front and rear white dot sights. Like I said, drop magazine. It also has a mount plate, which the M17 firearm has as well. That allows for optic ready sights, whether that's a red dot or something else on the market that you can apply to this air gun, it is available to do with this Airsoft. And you can, again, practice what you preach. If you carry a red dot and you would like to carry that into your practice gun, you can do that here. The final really cool feature of the Proforce M17 Airsoft is that it is offered in CO2 version, so you can buy the complete model with the CO2 mag, or you can buy an M17 with a green gas version magazine. The cool feature is that if you buy an M17 with a CO2 magazine and down the road, or if you're doing airsoft competition and they require certain feet per second, or you just feel like changing it up, you can buy the green gas magazine as an accessory, and it will fit inside the same platform that your CO2 model does. So you can interchange the magazines from green gas to CO2 on the same platform. So this is a great feature for this plinking pistol product. And if you have any questions or you want to make any purchases or any more inquiries about Sig Air's product, make sure to visit sigsauer.com.